Okay, so we can use this little character here. It looks like an opening or like something boxed in, and it actually means a country, which is, you can imagine as well, sort of boxed in a similar way then. So what you have then is go, it's pronounced as, and what it means is just country, like I said. And what you do here, if you want to say a country, then you put something like an adjective before, and then you put go at the end, and that becomes some kind of a country. So then we say, for instance, the funniest one, and it usually sounds like the English version as well here, would be America. And some of us say America, America. And in Chinese it's actually mei, guo. So mei comes from the America part, and then guo, just country. So mei guo is America. Fantastic. You look at the character there, you will see that character a lot more anytime we talk about a country, like I just said. Fantastic, isn't it? Hello guys, and we have another really interesting here. You can see the guo there, that means country. And now we have, together with that one, 你是们这是什么字啊? 中. Wonderful. So we have 中, and that is middle actually. So it's quite interesting. If you just look at the character to start with, then we'll put it together with the other one next. So what we have is, that means middle. So it's like a mouth or something, and we just go straight through it. And that means middle. If you're in the middle of something, you can use that one, okay? So what we have then is you put the country, or you put the word middle together with the word country. So it's a country that is in the middle. You can imagine now, on other maps for us, like in my maps at least, Europe is in the middle. But in China, they are in the middle. So instead what you have in Chinese maps is China is in the middle because it's the middle country, everything surrounds it. And so therefore you have 中国. How do you say 中国 in English? China, I hope you heard them. So China, 中国. Yeah, middle country literally. Quite interesting, no? How do you say 英国 in English? England. 那 UK 那你不知道是什么吗？
UK America
UK 也是英国，英国什么梦嘛，也不一样的。So what's important here is that we don't know everything we need to know about China, but they also don't know everything they need to know about England or the UK. So the whole UK actually is 英国, but they think it also means England on its own, and we don't differentiate between that too much. So if you're offended, please don't get offended, because that's not the intention. Anyways, you can say 英国, and that means the UK or England. Wonderful. So we've got a country, which is guo, and then we can put a specific place in front of that guo, and it makes it into a specific country, like 美国 or 英国 or 中国. If you're not from one of these three countries, stay tuned, and in the next video we'll have a sexy announcer announce all the different countries, and hopefully you'll find yours amongst that pack as well.